Nakamonitor pa rin ang PATAFA sa kanilang tatlong Rio Olympians upang masiguro ang swabing performances ng mga ito sa pagsisimula ng 31st Summer Olympics sa Agosto 5. Ngayong taon ay tatlong Olympic campaigners ang naiproduce ng Athletics NSA na sina Eric Cray, Mary Joy Tabal at Maristela Torres. Ang pinakamaraming naipadala ng isang National Sports Association ng bansa ngayong taon. Narito si Joy Salamatin para sa detalye.
Updated ang pamunuan ng Philippine Athletics Track and Field Association o PATAFA sa kondisyon at estado ng paghahanda ng kanilang tatlong Rio Olympians na sina Phil-American hurdler Eric Cray, marathoner Mary Joy Tabal at long jumper Maristela Torres. Ang PATAFA ang National Sports Association sa bansa na nakapagpadala ng pinakamaraming Olympic campaigners ngayong taon. Ayon kay PATAFA President Philip Elawico, sumusunod pa rin sa kanilang programa ang kanilang mga atleta, partikular na si Torres na ilang araw nang nasa Brazil para ikondisyon ang sarili.
Maristela is already in Brazil, no? They've already settled into their quarters, and she's now trying to recover from jet lag. And of course, her competition is still far away, no? August, almost 3 weeks. She, Cray, just finished competing in one event the other day. He's last before the Rio Olympics, no? And Tabal is there in Nagoya, I think, and they're carrying out their plan, their training regimen, their training program.
Dahil dito, buong suporta at pagbati ang ipinaabot ng PATAFA chief para sa kanilang mga Olympians.
It's an honor to represent the country. They know that, they feel it, and that is one of the reasons they're there. And we know that they will do the country proud, win or lose. And the important thing is they're there, and they are doing their best.
Bukod kina Cray, Tabal at Torres, ang iba pang Filipino athletes na maglalaro para sa Pilipinas sa 31st Summer Games ay sina Rogen Ladon at Charlie Suarez ng boxing, Kirsty Elaine Alora ng taekwondo, Ayan Lariba ng table tennis, Hidilyn Diaz at Nestor Colonia ng weightlifting, Miguel Tabuena ng golf, gayon din sina Jasmine Alcalde at Jessie Lacuna ng swimming. Para sa PTV Sports, Joyce Salamatin.